Hi, today I'm going to demo the Language I/O app for Salesforce Live Agent, which enables English-speaking support agents to support customers via chat in over 100 languages. On the right-hand side, I've got a demo support portal where a Spanish-speaking customer can request a chat session, and on the left-hand side, I have the Salesforce agent view. So let's begin by, as the customer, requesting a chat session. I requested the session. Over here on the agent side, we can see the incoming chat request, which we will accept. And now, because Language I/O is installed, instead of seeing the standard Live Agent view, you're going to see the Language I/O view. We click Connect so that Language I/O automatically translates between the agent's English and the customer's Spanish. As you can see, a Spanish autoresponder already went out to the customer, letting them know that an agent would be with them shortly. So we will go ahead and let the customer know that we are here. So in English, we will say, "Hello, how can I help you?" When you click on Translate and Send, it does exactly that. On the agent side, you're going to almost instantly see both our original English and the Spanish translation. On the customer side, we're only going to see the Spanish. So now that the customer knows we are here, as the customer, let's go ahead and ask our question. Hola. All right, here is our Spanish question. On the agent side, almost instantly, we're going to see both the Spanish and an English translation, which is, "Hi, I accepted a 24-hour deal. I cannot go because I'm sick. Will I still have to pay if I do not go?" So this is a company in the travel industry that offers something called a 24-hour deal. If we were just to run the term 24-hour deal through one of the standard translation engines available online, such as Google Translate. Google Translate, for example, is going to translate into Spanish, 24-hour deal, acuerdo de 24 horas. But this company always wants it translated, oferta de 24 horas. One of the things that Language I/O is able to do is impose a company's preferred translations or preferred glossary translations on top of any of the machine translation engines that we integrate with, even the neural engines. So just to show you what I'm talking about, let's click over to Google Translate, where I've entered an English response that we might send to this customer using the term 24-hour deal. Here you can see that it's translated acuerdo de 24 horas. So let's reply with the same exact text in English, so I can show you that instead of acuerdo, the Language I/O technology is going to use the term oferta de 24 horas. So I will click on Translate and Send. We see the English and we see the Spanish translation on the agent side. And here you're going to see oferta de 24 horas. Oferta de 24 horas, which is the preferred Spanish translation for this particular company. So you can see that we enforce that term on top of the machine translation engine. So we let the customer know what was up, let them know that if they purchased the accompanying insurance, they could get their money back. So we'll go ahead as the customer and wrap this up and say, yes. Sí. Compré el seguro. All right, everybody is happy. The customer purchased the insurance, so we're all good. Thank you, yes, I bought the insurance. Is pushed back to the agent. So as the customer, let's go ahead and end this chat so that the transcript is generated on the Salesforce side. We'll X out of this view as well as the agent. And now if we refresh actually let's go to chat transcripts instead. If we jump into the most recent chat transcript that was generated, we're going to see the standard live agent transcript, the Spanish back and forth between the agent and the customer. But when Language.io is installed, Language.io also generates a portion of that transcript which provides both the English and the Spanish. So if I'm an English-speaking manager and I would like to see what was said between the agent and the customer, I can read that in English as well. So thank you very much for your time. We appreciate your interest.